Yeah, so Stratosphere, we've been around for 15 years. We're a strategic management and business advisory firm. Our market sweet spot really is working with emerging corporate businesses, and those businesses typically turn over somewhere between 10 million and 50 million. We do have smaller clients and we do have larger clients, but the reason that's our sweet spot is they're typically the under-resourced, overstretched management teams, and what we try and help is bring order, structure, and process, and we really want to help our clients make better decisions more quickly. We want to make sure they avoid mistakes which become very costly and take a long time to overcome. Yep, I'm Jamie Holroyd. I'm the Managing Director of Stratosphere. The problems we were facing when we reached out in the clouds was our business is it's based on our intellectual capability, and it's very hard to scale. And one of the challenges we had is we're communicating with our clients, emails backwards and forwards, version control issues, and holding people accountable. And what we really wanted was someone who could help us bring more structure to that, more accountability for ourselves and for our clients, and to make sure that our business becomes more efficient and more scalable. Salesforce was something that we had implemented. What we wanted to do was take what we had to the next level. We really wanted more structure around what we were doing to make sure that we had more ability to measure things, to make sure they're as professional as we wanted to be. We just found that things were far too manual, too labour intensive, and it's really sped up our processes. But it also meant that we have a lot more energy and focus with a lot of those things not having to be done anymore. So we're really excited about where we're going and where we're headed. The thing we love about Salesforce is that we can plug on other applications to it, which is what we've been doing, and we're very excited about it. In terms of the return on investment from Salesforce, is we're very focused on, as a strategic management and business advisory firm, we're very focused on returns. We make our clients make sure they do proper business case, proper analysis. And whenever we have money that we need to spend, what we're really looking at is not how much it costs, but what the cost saving is. So I measure everything in terms of how many hours will this save our staff? How many more clients will we be able to win? And those equations are relatively simple in our case, that I know that having communities will save us 7 or 8 hours a week just in terms of backwards and forwards and communication with the clients. So the ROI is very positive for us. We suddenly feel like we've got a lot more time in our day, which has then allows us to focus on winning new clients. So we've actually put on 3 new clients in the last 2 weeks since we've launched some of our new Salesforce initiatives. I think one of the biggest impacts that Salesforce has for us as a team is it gives the guys a lot of confidence. It gives us a lot more structure. We're very excited about what we can do. We feel like we've got world-class capability. What we don't have is world-class scale to be able to get that out there. And I think that the excitement around what we're able to do helps us attract staff, and it's one of our big pitches in terms of getting quality talent to join us. We have to win talent from the big 4 firms and from places like that. They're not normally going to join a small firm like ours, so that it needs to be an exciting place to work, and they come along on that journey with us, and they're very involved with it, which we feel great pride around. So. Our overall experience working with Out in the Clouds has been really good. So we know that what we're trying to do is not easy. We've been trying to do this for a number of years. It's very important that we have the right partners. The partners need to have not only capability in terms of their working with Salesforce, but also business acumen, so they understand what we're trying to produce. The feedback has been good. We've been able to go backwards and forwards with the guys to get things exactly right and exactly the way we want. We've had a number of partners over the years, and it just hasn't worked the way we wanted to. We feel like our business has really accelerated, mainly because the guys that we deal with out in the clouds get what we're trying to do, and they understand when we have issues that we need to get them resolved, and they're very responsive in terms of working with us on that front.